shocked, right? The truth is, I'm not okay. I know little kids are here, but please, I want to beg us, please. If we are leaving our house to come to events like this, please, for most of us, we day up. God, I use beguna. For a closed event like this, please, irrespective of who you are. Now back there, since I don't die. One guy won't kill me with mouth odor. What is the problem? What is it? Toothpaste, okay, you know understand, and you know the funniest part, the guy now my friend. And sir, you will not understand. I was depressed back there. The who's then they laugh the associate. You know what I'm saying? They talk about. I don't know how to tell you to say brush. Mona no verse, Jerry. How are you? Hello, little kids. How are you? How are you? You no get problems, yeah. I carry big meat, put for hands, yeah. You no get problem. I beg, ladies and gentlemen, please, if you know you are happy to be alive, put your hands together for Baba God. I'm not really wasting time here. I just want that one joke I want to do. Please, how many of you know this song? Everybody's born a winner. Yeah, yeah. Who sing them? Ah. Okay? No, you can't be doing this now. Now let me mad now. I know talk to other people mad. No, if you know it, let me see your hands up. Everybody's born a winner. DJ, play a minute here.
I will tell you the difference between a rich man and a poor man. Quick one, with the sound of their fan. If you go rich man house, let my brain light. Once he go on fan, it sound like AC. Once he goes to the fan, he on the fan. What he go here now? Abby? For rich man house, daddy, that is your house now. If you go my house before, not now. Now the case was. But if you go my house before, once let my brain light, now my house they take no for the full street. Once let my brain light, but you go now, so all of us we plenty here. Ladies and gentlemen, I beg, men are clap now. At least I don't do my own performance. I greet you.